Designed by YH2 Architecture, House Dansl'Escarpement is located in Saint-Faustin-Lac-Carré, a secluded and densely wooded region known for its landscapes and outdoor activities. Access to the house is walking down a metallic gangway stretching from a concrete garage near the parking area. As one progresses on the light bridge structure, particularly on a misty day, there is a sensation of going towards a tree house floating in midair. Residents access the home from the driveway via a steel and wood walkway that leads to the upper level. Floor-to-ceiling glazing wraps this volume and provides access to an adjacent terrace. An open staircase leads to the main living space one level down, where the architects located the kitchen, living and dining room. The intermediate level is the true heart of this house, with its windowed walls opening up to the surrounding forest. The prevailing material used inside is mahogany, selected for its enduring qualities and for its rich hues. In the living dining area, floors, ceilings, beams, window frames, and kitchen cabinets are all finished with this rich dark wood, recalling the trees just beyond. With light constantly shifting, interiors and exteriors seem to mesh. The lower level, on the forest floor, was split into two concrete volumes, with a terrace between them. One portion contains a sauna and spa facilities that look out onto the surrounding trees. The opposite volume contains 3 bedrooms which share a bathroom. From the covered patio separating both areas, a footpath leads to the lake below. Here's a look at the plan. Concrete and steel offset the woody materiality of the home, and are paired with other accents like a monochrome pattern tile wall in the sauna area. The architects also clad some portions of the exterior in weathered steel, as well as the fireplace.